Here's a thought. Imagine a place that fills you with both excitement and wonder. A place that leaves its mark both on your mind and your heart. This is a story of how I spent just 2 weeks in one country, in fact just one city, for the very first time, and I was left wondering, how can I sum up the mother of all cities? And how can I ever see myself leaving this place? Welcome to one of the most incredible and most picturesque places on earth. Welcome to Cape Town, South Africa. This is going to be good. Let's go.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like the song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you.
So the first stop on my trip was actually a kayak tour out in the Atlantic Ocean, and that was really fun. It was run by a company called Atlantic Outlook, and if that sounds familiar, that's because you know a guy called Ben Brown on the internet, and yeah, that's how I found it. And it was really good fun, and we got to see wild whales out in it. You might, if you look closely, you might be able to spot them. So without further ado, let's go see what happened. Wow, wasn't that incredible, just seeing those whales out in the wild? Yeah, for me too as well. And after that, I thought I'd go climb up two of Cape Town's most iconic symbols, which are its two peaks. Lion's Head, which is really set for hikers and runners, and for those who want to keep active. And also Table Mountain, which is the absolute star symbol of the city. And in this case, I chose to take its cable car and get some shots from the top. Wasn't that incredible? Like, just to see those mountains and those clouds tumble over. Yeah, so after that I got to head down to Boulders Bay and check out the penguins actually.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
So leaving Fishhook and Boulders Bay behind, I headed north and undertook what became the most significant and most incredible experience of the whole trip, which was a tour of the township Langa, and to learn that not everything is as it seems. There's always two sides to a coin, and you should always listen to a story of a local.
making a beer. The beer that called umqombothi, our traditional beer. The beer that you brew, when it's a traditional wedding, you brew the beer. When the boys, they go to secondary school, become a man, you brew the beer. When you're looking for a job, you're unemployed, beer you must have, all right? People, they live in different cultures in South Africa, including region as well. So this is a beer that you, over there. The ladies that they brew the beer outside. And fermentation is the same like a brewery. They're cooking outside. After cooking outside, they put it here in your home place so they can get ferment. You see, look at cappuccino. And made out of a maize and a sorghum. Okay? It's brewed by these ladies. Out of maize and a sorghum. Okay? So what we are here for is for see the beer and taste the beer. Purpose and involve alcohol, but the longer you keep her, the longer it can get a little bit stronger. So how we drink it like a limousine and Ferrari. So they drink a lot of beer.
It's very nice.
And if you had to describe Cape Town in one word, beyond what most people think of it, what would you say describe it?
Cape Town.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Both in, like, I guess, in the human sense and also in the natural sense.
Yes, my friend. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
People are friendly as well. You
Yeah.
know, as much as people that are, you know, struggling. Some people are struggling, but I mean, it's a beautiful. You know, friendliness. Go around, everyone know each other. That makes bring beauty as well. Because
Yeah.
people are living here, they know each other. You know, for those, yes, for those who are unemployed, and then for those who got something they give for those who don't have. If the people that want to come to the township, they said no. You know, some of them they don't want to because they said township is dangerous. Okay, which is not dangerous, but honestly said that you must be with someone that knows the place. You cannot just traveling alone. But for those who came, they're like, wow, it's beautiful. See the people, the cultures, what the people living in the township. All right, see the people get to the houses. So it's amazing. It's better actually go to the Cape Point tour, you know, because this is where the real life is.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, where we see real, you know, what's happening, what the township looks like, and all that.
Right.
So people they enjoy as well for you guys to come around because we come to boost our economy first, and for those who are giving, they give for those who are in need. So they're quite friendly environment, you know.
You guys heard it here, guys. So, like, what are you waiting for? Like, there's no like yes, they would say seek discomfort. Sometimes it's good to seek the discomforting stuff.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So to sum that up, I had to say that was probably the most humbling and most incredible experiences I had, and I'm really glad I did it because it was really a fun time just seeing the real side of Cape Town and knowing there's two sides to a coin. From Langa, I decided to drive 2 hours east into the Western Cape and went to go on a little horse ride on the beach, which was really nice. Well, that was nice and chilled, but I think I need to turn things up a notch. So let's head up north to the Atlantis Dunes area, just north of Cape Town. And yeah, let's go on a gyrocopter flight. Now, how was that for some crazy stunts? So after that wonderful crazy flight, I decided to go chill out at one of my favourite places in all of Cape Town, which is an area called Kite Beach and Kelp Bay, which are in the Table View area of Cape Town, and it's a really good place to just chill out. as our story in Cape Town comes to an end, I think it's time to answer the original question I posed myself, which is, how do you sum up the mother of all cities? Well, I'd say there's only a few ways to describe it. One is beautiful, two is full of life, and most importantly of all, it's full of heart.